Okay, guys, today we're gonna be covering something called our logical operator. And as you can see, I have entered everything we need on the computer screen, saving our time. Um, so let's go through this part by part. In our name, we've set up two integers, age and money, and these will be in our test. So these will be tested against a thing to see if it's true. And you will see it. So our age is 15, and we have $10,000 for money. Now, this is the logical operation we have here, operator we have here. And what this means when it comes inside the if statement is uh, you read it from left to right. So you go age if age is more than 16. And what this symbol means, it's basically saying or. So if age is more than 16, or how much money you have is more than 1,000, then what will happen next is welcome to the car shop will print out on the screen. So what or means is as long as one of these two tests is true, so even though one can be false, say our age can be 15, and that doesn't match the test. But as long as one of the two tests is true, the function will be running. Now, since we have 15 for our age and 10,000 for our money, the program should run and this should show up on the screen. So let's build and run this. And it says, welcome to the car shop. Really good. Awesome. Now, you can also place other symbols inside the if statement to change its meaning. Let's get rid of or, and replace it with and. And what this means is saying if age is over 16 and money is over 1,000, the program following will be running. And you can see the difference. So for the last one we had only one of the two tests or one of the multiple tests has to be true. Now this time inside the brackets, everything inside the bracket has to be true for the following program to be running. Now let's run this to see if it works. And nothing is printing out on the screen. That's because even though we have more money than 10,000, 1,000, we have 10,000 for money. That's like 10 times. That's way over. Our age is below 16, it's 15. Now, say we change the age to 14. Now 15 will be larger than 14. So this time the program should be running. Yeah, there you go. Welcome to the car shop. So you may wonder, what does the logical operator do? Well, in some cases, when you want, say, multiple conditions being tested, instead of entering one another and another if statement after another, you can just enter one, and by changing what's inside the bracket, you can essentially change the testing condition. That's the word. Now, it just saves you time by minimizing the amount of content you have to enter. It's a way of minimizing your programming language, your code, and make it easier to read. That's what logical operator is. Thank you for today's time. Kind of cringy, but yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.